3, 2, 1, start. It is apparent from the report that all these objections were dealt with holding that there was no question of any malafides in the accusation. Full stop. It has also been held that the accusation for the public purpose of planned housing development is very much a public purpose. Full stop. The said accusation has been justified on account of increase in the population and fast industrial development which required the availability of the houses for the persons of middle income group and lower income group and of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and backward class. Full stop. The other objection raised was that the land was not suited for the public purpose, since there was 16-year-old village abadi of about 1.5 acre and there were number of trees on 2.5 acre land. Full stop. That question has also been dealt with in details, holding that the Mathura Vrindavan Development Authority would develop public park, school and playground on the acquired land. Full stop. Even the objections raised by one Devendra Nath Bhargav have been considered in details by the land acquisition officer. Full stop. We are quite convinced that all this could not have been possible unless the appellants were heard and their objections were considered in details. Full stop. The learned senior counsel appearing for the appellants urged that this court had invited the original report and the original report did not show the factum of hearing. Full stop. We have seen the original report and the order sheet. Full stop. Indeed, there are dates given after the first date, on which date some of the objectors were also present. Full stop. There are some missing pages. Full stop. However, it is specifically mentioned in the report that the objectors have been heard. Full stop. In our opinion, once the original report suggests that the objectors were heard, there is no point in urging that the appellants were not heard. Full stop. Shri Vikas Singh, learned senior counsel appearing on behalf of Mathura Vrindavan Development Authority, bracket open, respondent number 3, bracket close, relied on the decision in of Andhra Pradesh, full stop. The observations made in para 42 were this court had specifically held that the contention raised on behalf of the appellants about hearing not afforded to the objectors was refuted on the ground that the objections filed were duly considered by the special collector and rejected by his order dated 21/7/2006. Full stop. Since we have seen the original report in this case, we are of the opinion that not only was the hearing afforded, but all the objections have been specifically considered. Full stop. The counter affidavit shows a document where the objectors have been invited for the hearing on a fixed date, that is 17/9/1991. Full stop. We are of the clear opinion that not only the objectors were heard, but their objections were also decided. Full stop. This contention raised on behalf of the appellants is rejected. Full stop. As regards the affidavit of the lawyer appearing on behalf of the appellants in land acquisition proceedings, comma, we have gone through the affidavit. Full stop. It is, however, comma, completely bereft of the dates and other details. Full stop. We, therefore, do not find it fit to rely upon the same. Full stop. The second contention raised by Shri Lalit, comma, learned senior counsel is that though the acquisition proceedings are over and the award is also passed, comma, the possession has not been taken at all. Full stop. The learned senior counsel pointed out, comma, relying on the decision that as per the majority view expressed by Bhagwati Gupta ji, it is that physical possession which should be taken in pursuance of the land acquisition and not only symbolical possession or paper possession. Full stop. As regards the affidavit of the lawyer appearing on behalf of the appellants in land acquisition proceedings, comma, we have gone through the affidavit. Full stop. It is, however, completely bereft of the dates and other details. Full stop. We therefore do not find it fit to rely upon the same. Full stop. The learned senior counsel also relied on the report to suggest that in spite of the accusation, comma, still the revenue entries were in favor of the appellants, showing their possession and the cultivation by them in respect of the land. Full stop. Sri Lalit tried to show some photographs suggesting therein that the wicket gate had the look of the appellants and thus contended that the possession still continues with the appellants. Full stop. In fact, it is a question of fact as to whether the possession has been taken or not. Full stop. However, comma, the respondents have produced the possession receipt, comma, where it is suggested that the possession was taken by the officers after going on the spot. Shri Vikas Singh, comma, learned senior counsel appearing on behalf of Mathura Vrindavan Development Authority, bracket open, respondent number 3, bracket close, pointed out that it would be impossible for the collector or revenue officers to enter each biga of land for taking possession thereof. Full stop.